In Chicago, a beautiful January day is about as rare as a Republican mayor. January 24th, 1967 was one of those rare days. 60-degree temperatures gave the city a brief respite from a typically frigid winter. The next day, temperatures dropped, and the forecast for Thursday, January 26th, promised a return to normal winter weather.
WCFL weather cloudy today with a chance of snow tonight, possibly 1 to 2 inches by tomorrow morning.
In the early morning hours of January 26th, the forecast was changed, 4 inches of snow. By the time the morning rush hour started, the snow was coming down fast, and the forecasts were changing.
The forecast has been revised now. We expect around 15 inches of snow, and I hope there's no more.